Hi my friends, Ian again. Right, we've got another video for you today. This one, I am not going too far from home. In fact, I am at home. I'm going to choose a little place that's nice and cold because I want to try out my sleep gear. I'm going to be using all so-called, I can't put the other fingers up because I am holding the camera, so-called four-season gear. So I'm going to use the Lanchan Pro, Lanchan Pro 1 that is. I'm going to be using my sleeping bag. I've got a mat to go underneath it. I'm going to use the Exped 7, and also let's have a look now, my Snug Pack 5 Softy Elite 5, which is rated down to 15 below comfort. Now since I've lost some weight, 2.5 stone, I've lost some blubber. So therefore I sleep cold. I'm not too far from home and my nice warm bed. So let's give it a go. I'm going to set it up. You can watch me doing that. And then I'll show you exactly what I'm going to use. Okay, my friends? So bye for now. Okay, my friends, this is what we've got. I think we're going to be all right in there. You've got vents all the way around the edges. I've got it as close as the ground as I possibly can. There is a breeze. We could go up more, which means what you would do, slacken off all the tie outs, and you would hire this to 135 or 130, something like that. At the moment I got it at not 3. What am I saying? You would hire this to 135, okay, or 130. At the moment it's at 120 something, just a bit over, but I'm happy with that. It's not going to go anywhere if the breeze picks up. It is solid, we hope. That needs tightening up a little bit more in that corner, and I'll do that. We've got some tiny bits of snow on here, so there you go. Camera didn't fit that up, do you? I need to get that food in those bags there. Right, now I'm going to show you my sleep system. Okay guys, the first thing you can see is a foil blanket which is backed with foam. Okay, so that goes in there. Right, next, airbed. Okay, airbed is laying flat and we're pumping it up. Okay, I've probably showed you one of those before. If not, ask me for a link. It's a light and a pump, saves all that messing. These Expeds do not take long to pump up, but why use energy? Mind you, it could keep you warm. It could keep you warm. So I'll come back in a minute when this is all blown up. Okay guys, airbed's up, pillow's up. I'd be lost without that pillow. Well, I wouldn't, because I'd just use the head part of the lid, as they call it, of my backpack, and put some clothes over it, a jacket or something. But there's plenty of room up that end, stacks of room down here. The bag will live over there. I'm just going to get my sleeping bag out now, and also I've got a sleeping bag covered by a rab. It's a bivvy bag. Now with this being a single skin, you do get condensation, and that will protect my bag. Okay guys, let's get on with it. Okay, everything's stowed away. One empty backpack, osprey, and beds all set up. Bivvy bag set up on the outside of my sleeping bag. The sleeping bag I'm using is a Snugpak Softy Elite 5, rated down to 15 degrees below comfort. I'll see that when I believe it. And that pump is now hanging up here, because that is my light for the night. My brew kit's here. Okay, my breakfast is there. Well, my supper is there. My breakfast is there. Frying pan's here with a windbreak in it, and that is my cook set. My mouth's freezing up, guys. Okay, and my knees are lovely and warm on this, and that fits in my backpack where the hydration pack goes for my water. So there we have it for now, guys. So we're waiting for the dark and for bed. So see you in a bit. Bye for now. Okay guys, all set up now. Nice and tight. Bit of a breeze, but we've stopped it coming under this side. Tie outs are out. Before I get in later, have you seen what I've done over here? Look, it's got a slight bend on it, it's got some tension on it, that does. So there we have it. Yeah, so now we're going to go for a walk. Okay, see you in a bit guys. Bye for now. Right guys, well, I'm in bed, and it's about 11:30 now, so I'm in my sleeping bag. I don't know whether you can see, and we're going to try and get some kip. The dog wouldn't stop with me because she's a savage beast. She fancies a nice warm caravan. So we shall see you in the morning, one hopes. Let's put this on a stand. My intention is to stop in here for as long as I can. So I've got, let's have a look now. I'm going to try and zip up this bivvy bag. That's it, it's to stop the condensation, because there will be some. So we shall get down a bit better in a minute. So let's see what happens now, guys. Night night. Hope to see you in the morning. Night. Well guys, I slept well. I was really warm, and it's 12 minutes past 8. Oh, very good. Lots of condensation. I was expecting that. Absolutely everywhere. Everywhere. What I would normally do now is get my cloth and wipe the walls down, but I haven't got time. Got to get going and get a wash and a change. So we'll see you then, guys. Very good, excellent. We got down to about, it was 2, nearly 3, -3, so not bad. So we'll see you again then, guys. Test over and done with. Bye bye for now. Hi guys, now I'm properly awake. I thought I'd give you my conclusion on last night's little sleep out. The tent is fantastic, absolutely, but it does suffer with a lot of condensation. Maybe I should have brought it up a little bit so the vents are not blocked up down the bottom. You can see it's fairly close to the ground. Now when I'm turning over in this, my head is hitting the roof quite a bit. I don't know whether you can see that, but you can actually see the condensation on the inside of that. Can you see darker and lighter? The darker there's a condensation on the inside. So I've got to take this down now and I'm going to dry it out. Pack all my gear away. So that Snug Pack Softy Elite 5 is really good. Whether it'd go down to 15 degrees comfort, I do not know, but I was lovely and toasty. Now I'd got my my socks on, my long johns on, my walking trousers. I'd got my merino long, let me talk to you. I'd got my merino long sleeve top on, and also my Rab fleece. Okay, I could have taken the fleece off, I could have taken my trousers off and still got away with it. So yeah, but there's plenty of room, just enough room, because you don't want too tight in a sleeping bag and you don't want it too slack. Otherwise, if there's not enough air around you, or if there's too much air around you, you're going to be cold. It's the same as tight clothes. People wear tight clothes. It's the fashion, isn't it? If you've got a good figure, you wear tight clothes. And there's no air trapped, no air layers. So there we have it. I think I would use a dome tent more than this. Yeah, I think so. So let's see. What do you think? Also, we did some low light on the DJI Osmo 3 last night. What did you think to that? Was it good? The low light, was it good? Okay guys, so I've got to take this down now and put it away, after drying it of course. So we'll see you in the next video.